Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to paint these loose dreamy flowers. Let's get started. First, weight the entire page and let the paper fully absorb it. If you notice your paper is buckling in the middle while applying water, you can flip it over and lightly brush some clean water on the back. That usually helps it flatten out pretty quickly. Then add some colorful paints and create curvy lines on the paper like this. You don't need to use specific colors, but just try to choose vivid, lively colors. Next, I'm using a spray bottle to soften the lines. At this stage, the paper still has a little moisture, so spraying wouldn't cause too much water pooling. However, if you think you still have excess water on the paper, just wait for it to dry a little more before you begin this spraying step. Once the paper is completely dry, I reweight the whole surface using a clean brush. Now I'm loading some cadmium yellow medium hue onto my brush and dabbing it onto the paper like this. I'm dabbing a bit of Pyrrol Scarlet. Be careful not to use too much water, especially if your paint is highly dispersive. You can test out how dispersive it is on a scrap piece of paper first. You can slightly adjust the shapes if needed. Just a little tweak would be enough. How much you add really depends on how your paint behaves and how saturated the color already is. There's no strict rule here. I just alternate between colors. It's all about adjusting as you go to create some depth of color. I'm also using the leftover paint on my palette to dab a few tiny dots on the flowers. Finally, I'm adding the stem using a dark green color. At this point, the paper is completely dry, so the new color won't mix with anything underneath. You can choose any color you like here, including black, as long as it has enough depth to stand out.